Many people don't realize that stained or yellow teeth can add years to their appearance. Over time, factors like aging, coffee, tea, and red wine can dull a once bright smile. But the good news? A professional teeth whitening treatment in North Dallas can restore a youthful glow and boost confidence. As enamel wears down over the years, the underlying dentin, naturally darker in color, becomes more visible. Combined with daily exposure to staining foods and drinks, teeth can lose their brightness faster than expected. This natural process can make even the healthiest smile appear dull, but professional whitening treatments are designed to reverse these effects safely and effectively. While there are plenty of whitening options available, not all provide safe or lasting results. Whitening toothpaste in strips, convenient but slow, often leading to uneven results. DIY home remedies, risky with potential enamel damage. Professional whitening treatments, fast, customized, and long-lasting. Unlike over-the-counter options, professional whitening treatments use advanced formulas and controlled techniques to safely remove deep stains while protecting tooth enamel. Choosing a professional whitening treatment ensures a safer, more effective approach to brightening a smile. Customized treatments minimize sensitivity, prevent uneven whitening, and deliver noticeable results in just one visit. With expert supervision, patients can achieve a significantly whiter smile without the risks associated with DIY methods. A brighter smile can make a dramatic difference in overall appearance. With professional whitening, the results are fast, safe, and designed to last. For those in North Dallas looking to rejuvenate their smile,